Not, David. Bottom line, though, they do want the same personal protective equipment that other first responders have, especially those N95 masks. They say while there are no confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Pierce County jails right now, they just don't want to take the risk and perhaps bringing this home to their families. Now, according to the Pierce County Corrections Guild, this is the union that corrections officers are a part of. They say that there are actually 2,200 N95 masks that are in storage and apparently earmarked for jail staff. But according to them, the county has not released it to them, and it's just sitting in that storage. Instead, they say, a Good Samaritan made cotton masks for correctional guards. And while they say they are grateful for whoever did that, they say it just doesn't do enough to protect them and the inmates from COVID-19, especially since the guards, they say, have taken on new responsibilities.
The first thing they did was have us start taking temperatures of the inmate workers. And one of the recommendations from the CDC was anybody taking temperatures of any kind, because you're getting up, close to people, is to have protective equipment on. Eye protection, a mask, a gown. We had none of those things.
Now, the Guild represents about 270 Pierce County Corrections deputies that work both the minimum security and medium to maximum security jails. But they also say they put in a request back in late February for more masks, but they were denied by the county. Now, we asked the Pierce County Sheriff's Department, they're the people who run the jails, about this lack of PPE.
Being in law enforcement, we're not the tier 1 priority. Healthcare workers, nursing homes, where the COVID outbreaks are the priority. We do have some N95 masks for our patrol deputies, but they're not wearing them all the time. They're only going to put them on and wear them when there's a possible exposure. As far as our corrections deputies goes, we'd love to have a mask for everybody to throw away every day. They're just not available.
Says the masks that they have received, they can't be sanitized either because that priority goes to hospitals and nursing homes. He also says South Sound 911 operators are screening calls to assess if there's possible exposure for his deputies. That way, whatever masks they do have available don't go to waste. But for the correctional officers, their guild president says that she was able to purchase about 1,000 masks that aren't N95 masks, but should offer some protection to their members. She hopes that the county and the department allows for these N95 masks to be released to them soon. David, back over to you.
Well, it's been 3 weeks.